ginagawa namin show na Incognito. As for me, my goal now is to make music again. So, yan lang muna.
Ayan, sample. Charot. Okay, next naman.
So kapag i-manifest mo siya, i-verbalize mo siya, nasa balita siya at mangyayari
Oo,
siya.
exactly. Kaya minermalize na nila. I love it. Happy New Year, Contracts! Yay!
Happy New Year!
Tawag-tawa si Anthony. Happy New Year. Okay.
Okay, para kay Daniel. From Damian Listas. Magalina kapag action genre ka na.
Grabe, super exciting. As in, sobrang happy ko na naging part ako ng Incognito. Kasi ako, my whole life, siguro hindi ko akalain na magiging part ako ng action series. So, to be part of this, it's very surreal. So, this is like a chance for me to showcase my other skills na hindi ko alam na meron pala ako. So, yeah, abangan niyo na mga baril-baril ko na.
Bye-bye.
Bang, bang, I love it. But of course, in line with the question from Rodjen,
Yes.
we also have a question from Kathy from Marie Stellar's Official. Siyempre, kilala natin si Marie as napakakalog, funny, di ba? Ngayon naman, action. So, besides the action side of your character, what else are you most excited for that your character brings? Excited ako sa mga, dahil my character here is actually a spy. So, she shapeshifts, she changes her appearance, she speaks so many languages, so excited ako gawin yung mga eksena na yon and to infiltrate groups for the sake of our mission. Language classes. There's one na nag-aral ako on the spot. I had to talk to a bunch of very nice Italians. So, tinuruan nila ako magsalita ng Italian. So, buong eksena ko sa Italy, naging Italian lang.
May basic Italian ba dyan na naalala mo?
What? What? Sorry. What? Next time na.
Next time na.
Nakalimutan ko na eh.
Sa Incognito na lang, doon na lang abangan. Okay, Okay, mostly ng mga natutunan ko, kila Sir Pats, kay Sir Benz, yun yung mga instructor namin sa tactical, PKP, Muay Thai, maraming lessons. Kasi, syempre, hindi naman agad-agad matututunan mo yung isang gano'n na life. Parang SWAT team talaga yung ginagawa namin.
SWAT team.
Oo, mga police na.
Okay, so syempre Anthony, you talked about yung mga learnings na natutunan mo dito sa show. Could you also talk to us about, on a scale of 1 to 10, ito, galing kay Julia Nicole, on a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate yung growth mo as an actor dito sa Incognito? And why? O, di ba may and why?
Mga 8 out of 10. Mga 8.
Mga 8?
Mga 8.
Okay,
Bakit?
bakit?
Kasi syempre, big show siya. So, ang dami namin ginawa. Maraming stunts, ang daming... First time ko makapasok sa ganito kalaking show talaga. So, yun lang, 8 out of 10. Marami pa ako matututunan.
Yes, I